Welcome back to ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm Abigail Lindsay.
And I'm Francesco Mancini-Menditto, and welcome to the first episode of Season 4 of ECTV Tries. Make sure that you visit the ECTV40 YouTube page, where you can find new episodes posted every single Friday. And as always, we are your triers for the week. We have not been told on what we're going to do today, but we have been given a hint. The info that we are told about this challenge is, can you keep a straight face? Hear me out, try not to laugh challenge.
I was also thinking it's going to be some form of a try not to laugh. Knowing the producer, I feel like she's going to throw in a twist to it though.
Yeah, she always has a tendency, to do so. As a quick example, audience, if you would like to see a potential twist that our lovely producer has a tendency, to do, please check Season 2, Episode 1 for the introduction of the Loser Cup.
And this is how we're going to kick off Season 2.
Season 2!
3, 2, 1, go!
It is an unforgettable episode. I know because I quote it every single time I can.
So hopefully there's no loser cup today. That is like the one thing I'm hoping for though.
I feel like that because of the amount of times I have mentioned it behind behind the scenes, I'm pretty sure that she's gonna do so one of these days, and I'm hoping today is not one of them.
Yeah. So hopefully no loser cup.
All right then, I think it's time that we open up the envelope. Abby, since this is going to be your final semester here, would you care to do the honors?
I would love to. Our lovely envelope. Your task. You will each eat a lemon slice. Each round the slice will get bigger. Whoever doesn't keep a straight face loses. So, fun fact actually, my grandma loves lemon slices. We'll eat the entire lemon, really, the rind and all. So maybe I'll inherit a little bit of that today.
Was my sister your grandma in a past life, or
does your sister do the same thing?
Yeah. So either they're the same person, or they're both insane.
Well, hopefully it'll help us then today.
I hope so too. All right. Well, we'll be right back once we're done setting up for today's challenge. Don't go anywhere.
So we're back and we have a bunch of different lemon slices with us. And the first one who can't keep a straight face loses. So they're all cut up into different sizes, progressively getting bigger. So we'll start smaller and hopefully be able to make it through. Should we cheers?
I'm not opposed. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bottoms up.
Oh no. I did a good job.
Yeah, I'm going to be honest. That was actually quite enjoyable.
Yeah, very tasty.
All right. Well, while we still got the taste of lemon in our mouths, would you like to progress to the second one?
Yes, we'll move on to our second slice.
All right.
You can see close up. It's still pretty little. Do you want cheers? Cheers.
You just want to do it after every single slice? All right. Cheers.
Cheers. That one was better, I feel like. I don't know, yours was the end of it too.
I mean, both of ours were kind of the end. I mean.
Yeah, the first one, you really got the lemon. That one wasn't as bad.
All right. Well, third one.
Third. Okay. Well, yours might be a little bigger. Yours has a seed in it too. Yours looks a little more lemony. Mine's a pale.
All right.
Pale color. Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. My face hurt from that one.
I would just like to point out that I only just spit out the seed that was in my slice of lemon.
This is terrible. I wish if we had a little sugar to put on top, that would be nice.
But then that would kind of destroy the whole point of just like, well, the challenge. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm quite enjoying this.
Well, then you're the only one right now. It's a little sour for my liking, I'm not gonna lie.
All right then. Well, last one. There's no turning back now.
Okay, this is our fourth and final one. This is the biggest.
All right, here we go.
It's literally, it's like a hole. Mine has a seed. Hold on. I'll pull my seed out first. Oh no, I won't. It's like gonna drip. I'll just leave this.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. That one was like the bad. No. That one was bad too. They were all bad. I also have a little cut on my lip right now. And so it's like soaking into it.
Yikes. All right then. So, how do you feel that you did?
I definitely did not do good. I definitely made a face on every single one.
All right then. Well, I guess I will just wait from the producers and everyone and see on who won.
We have your results.
Oh no.
Abby definitely lost. Abby definitely lost.
So we just got word that, and I quote, Abby definitely lost. You didn't make a face at all. I would look over and you were like.
Determined. Abby lost on practically every round, but Francesco did not make a face once. So Francesco won with flying colors.
I do not know how I did this, but I'd like to thank the Academy for helping me out with all this, my fellow colleagues at ECTV, and somehow my inability to express any sort of just feeling when it comes to eating food.
I could not keep a straight face.
All right, well, that's going to do it for this week's episode of ECTV Tries. Thank you for joining us for the first episode of Season 4. Tune in for next week's episode being made shortly. I'm Francesco Mancini-Menditto.
And I'm Abigail, Lindsay. And you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks for joining us.
Have a good night.